Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam to Allah.
Sheikh, I have heard from your lecture that we shouldn't say about our past that I shouldn't do that, do that, or this. If I did that, it would not happen. But at the same time, after committing any sin, we should repent, remove from our heart. So while repenting,
Akhi,
it
there is a
often
difference. There is a difference between objecting to destiny that, oh, if I did not do this and that, none of this would have had happened. It's already predestined and divinely decreed. Live with it. It happened. Nothing could have changed it. Accept it. Embrace it. This is different than falling into sin and then saying, oh, I can't be remorseful. Because if I'm remorseful, then I'm going against the divine decree. No. You've done a sin, you've done a mistake, rectified it and correct it by repenting, by pledging not to do it again, by having deep remorse. This is different than saying, oh, if I didn't call this escort agency, I would not have fallen into haram. Or if I did not drink this bottle of wine, I would not have been intoxicated. No. This stops you from repenting and asking Allah for forgiveness. Instead, you're just whining and you know what. No, this is not the right approach. Don't say, if I had not done this, this would not have had happened. Because this opens the gateway for shaitan, and Allah knows best.